This is Bollywood Parks Dubai. Let's dance. Now for some drama. Don't worry, it's been taken care of by this guy. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Now Junior loves cricket. Well, bowl it to him. Nice shot. Whoa, we're now in a high-speed chase. He's fast. Give him a ticket. Time out. Who's hungry? We have this, and this, but I recommend this. That's enough. Time to fly in the sky with this guy. Okay, now some target practice. Yeah, let's try something else. Like running with the bulls! Run! Keep going! Ooh, that was close. Oops. Sorry, guys. Great show. Carry on, carry on. Now that's a fight. Wasn't that the ride of your life? The world's first Bollywood theme park, Bollywood Parks Dubai. Be spellbound.